Hey guys, welcome back to the Yo Show. Today I am going to be cleaning out my air filter because it's really dirty. So the first thing you're going to want to do, which I already did off camera, is take off whatever type of clamp you have so that you can get your old dirty filter out. Yeah, pretty dirty. All right, next thing you're gonna want to do is go to the auto parts store and buy some air filter cleaner, because it's probably pretty good for your car. I don't have any of that, so I'm gonna use this Dawn dish soap because it's 50% less scrubbing. I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna put it in the bucket. I'm not gonna actually put it on the air filter because that's gonna cause a lot more spraying. Then I'm going to fill bucket. Yeah, I'm just gonna let that sit for a little while. Then I'm gonna spray it all off and dry it. I'm also painting this. I just haven't decided what color yet, so it's drying. It's really faded, plastic. So, yeah. All right, so I'll let this soak for about 5 minutes. Try and get a lot of debris off of it with dish soap. And they do sell a specific cleaner for this, but I don't have it. And I just want, I'm sure that water is pretty brown. Besides, my hands are really dirty. So, I'm just gonna set this here and spray it out. So I sprayed it out until there were no more suds. It's a lighter color. Looks like I need to just invest in a new one of these. I'm gonna set it somewhere where it can dry. And yeah, then we're gonna wipe it off and clean it and reattach it.